Hey everyone. If you want to get real clients from Behance in 2026, like freelance work, design projects, or long-term gigs, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how to do it. First, open Behance and build a strong portfolio with only your best work. Quality matters more than quantity. Next, choose a niche like UI design, branding, or motion graphics. Clients prefer specialists over generalists. Now optimize your project titles and descriptions using clear keywords. This helps your work appear in search results. After that, create case study style projects. Show your process, not just final designs, to build trust. Next, stay active by liking, commenting, and engaging with other designers. This increases your visibility on the platform. Now make sure your profile has clear contact options like email or website. Clients need an easy way to reach you. After that, check the Behance job board for freelance and full-time opportunities. Many clients post real jobs there. Finally, promote your Behance projects on social media like Instagram or LinkedIn. I mean, more exposure means more clients. So yeah, that's how you get clients from Behance in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can start getting real freelance opportunities from your portfolio. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more design tutorials for beginners. Hey everyone.